Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my weekly cleaning routine. So these are just a few things that I like to get done one day during the week, every single week. So the first thing I like to do, whatever day that I end up doing this, is take off all of the sheets from everybody's bed and wash them throughout the day while I'm doing my other stuff too.
Behind closed doors, an empty space, we're in a secret love encounter. I'm a lonely, hard feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind. I'm a lonely, hard feline.
I take what's mine and I leave behind.
Save your breath, don't waste your words. I'm gone before the night is over. Don't lose your faith, keep it straight. I'm nothing like any other. I'm a lonely, hard feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind. I'm a lonely, hard feline.
I take what's mine and I leave behind.
Then I like to clean up the floor in the laundry room, and so that is also where we keep the dog's food. So I will clean that up and then vacuum up the floors, and then I will be washing his little mat that his food and water sit on, and then I'll just throw his bowl and roll both of his bowls. I'll just throw those in the dishwasher so that way they get super clean and like disinfected.
What your heart's been told, and I'm not sure that I can tell much more. Lonely heart feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind. I'm a lonely heart feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind. I'm a lonely, hard feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind.
Then I will head into my bathroom and get everything up off the floors so that way I can vacuum and wash the floors. But I'm going to pull those rugs up so that way I can wash those when I'm done washing the sheets. But before I start scrubbing out my shower, I want to tell you guys that I partnered with Grove Collaborative to bring you some freebies this month. So they just came out with the Mrs. Meyer's body wash and body lotion, and Grove Collaborative has a loofah now. And so you guys know I love Mrs. Meyer's everything, and so when I saw these I was like, yep, I'm gonna need those. So I picked out the honeysuckle scent, and it smells so good. It seriously gets like so foamy and it smells so good. I am loving it, so I know you guys will too. So if you are a new customer for Grove Collaborative, you're gonna get that body wash, the body lotion, which is a huge size lotion, that loofah, and a 60-day VIP trial as well. So if you're a new customer, you're going to get all of that for free. And then if you're an existing customer and you use the link in the description box, then you will get a free lip balm from Grove. But anyways, just wanted to tell you guys about that. I'm super excited that they came out with this new line from Mrs. Meyer's. And I'm going to go ahead and start scrubbing out my shower. It seriously always looks so gross because it's so old, but I'm using that Mrs. Meyer's tub and tile cleaner, and then this scrub brush, which is a grout and tile scrub brush from Grove Collaborative as well. But I just spray that all over and scrub it down really good and rinse it out. No matter how much I scrub though, it just doesn't look clean. So if you have an old house, then you probably understand too. I cannot wait to get this bathroom renovation underway. But as you guys know, we're in the middle of a kitchen renovation right now, so it might be a little bit.
Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me.
So this glass bottle is just the Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner. My spray bottle that it came in broke, so I just put it in this bottle, which also came from Grove Collaborative, and these glass bottles spray super well.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars.
So for my bathroom floors, I like to use this Clorox Sentivia stuff. Instead of mopping, I just spray it and scrub it down. I feel like it just does a better job than mopping, and I can kind of spot clean like the baseboards and stuff like that. And this actually doesn't have bleach in it, so I know I've used it before on my hands and knees, and people have been worried about my pants getting bleach spots on them, but no, it doesn't do that like regular bleach does. But this stuff cleans super well, it smells good, and I feel like it just does a really good job on the bathroom floors, which are especially just kind of gross. So then another thing that I like to do weekly is to clean all of my windows downstairs. So that is what I'm gonna do now with that Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner.
It must have been something I forgot. All this time, it was never enough. So please slow down. I'm just trying to find my way back to you. I'm taking the long road, running on empty. I'll be better this time around. I'm going where you go if you let me. I'll promise you better days, only better days. Running down the same road, hope it leads me somewhere new. Making up for lost time, gonna make it right by you. They said it would be easy. Guess I never.
Another thing I like to do is dust all of my furniture in my dining room and my living room, all of my wood furniture. So I'm just using this Method polish, this wood polish, and I'm gonna wipe all of that down.
This time, it was never enough. So please slow down. I'm just trying to find my way back to you. I'm taking the long road, running on empty. I'll be better this time around. I'm going where you go if you let me. I promise you better days. I'm taking the long
As you can see, it's a lot later in the day now when I finally got to my last thing, but I like to mop my entire downstairs once a week, so I just will use hot water and Pine Sol, and I don't worry too much about my kitchen floor getting super wet, obviously, because it's just that linoleum, but we're going to be replacing that soon. But as for like our laminate wood flooring in the living room and the dining room, I just make sure that my mop is wrung out like super good, so it's not like really wet, it's just kind of damp. But I love this mop. I've gotten questions about it before, so I will have it linked down below for you guys, but it's just the Cedar Spin Mop. But that is the last thing that I do. I just like to mop and get everything all clean after dusting, especially. I vacuum every day because we have a black lab and 3 kids and we live on property, so it's just always dirty, but mopping once a week. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos. I do vlogs and cleaning videos and all sorts of stuff. And as you can see, my kids were helping move the tripod. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!